Hello everyone, today our topic is how to add SendFox contact in Google Sheets. So here our objective is that whenever we add a new contact in SendFox, then we want to add these details automatically in our Google Sheets. For this, we will create an integration between SendFox and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, we are going to use SendFox. In action application, we are going to use Google Sheets. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we have SendFox, which is an email marketing tool designed specifically for content creators that lets user compose and send unlimited customized email. And on the other side, we have Google Sheets. So here, what our objective is that whenever we add a new contact in SendFox, then we want to add these details of new contact automatically in our Google Sheet in this manner. For this, we will create an automation and integration between SendFox and Google Sheet. For this, I'll open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free. And it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. Here, these are the tools that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'll click here on Access Now button and it will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now we are going to create a new workflow. For that, I will click here on Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Here we have to name my workflow. So I will name it as my objective, which is to add SendFox contact in Google Sheets. Now I will select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I will select Home and I will click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger is the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we will set up our trigger first and our trigger application here will be SendFox. So I will search for that. I will click here. And I have to give a trigger event. For that, I will open this tab and new contact will be my trigger event. So I will select this and I will connect my SendFox account with Pabbly Connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting SendFox with Pabbly Connect, I have to give a token. So for this token, I need to go to SendFox. I will go to settings and in settings, I will go to API. Here I have to create new token. So I will click here on create new token and I will name my token as test and I will click on create. So this has generated a token key for me. So I will copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I will paste it here. Now I will click on save. So my connection is successful. Now I will create a dummy contact. So for that I will go to SendFox. I will go back. I will go to contacts. I will create a new contact and here I will fill the dummy details. So my first name will be demo, last name will be user, email will be demouser@pabblytunes.com. I will give a random address. So my address will be Bhopal and I will give a random birth date. So this will be my birth date and I will give a random phone number and a website. So website will be pabbly.com and I will click on save. And here we can see we have added this new contact. So I'll open this. So this is my contact. So email address is this demouser@pabblytunes.com. First name is demo, last name is user and address is Bhopal. And this is the random phone number, birth date and website. Now let's go to Pabbly Connect. And I will click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have the response. But if you don't get this response instantly, then don't worry, because it is a polling based response, but you will get the response within the 3 hours. So the last name is user, first name is demo, email is demouser@pabblytunes.com, and the address is Bhopal, and this is the random phone number, this is the birth date, and this is the website pabbly.com. Now what we want is, we want to add these details automatically in my Google Sheet. So for that I will set up my action, and for action I will open this. I will search for my action application, which is Google Sheets. I will click here. Now I have to give an action event. So for that I'll open this tab, and add new row will be my action event. So I'll click here. I'll click on connect, click on add new connection, and I will sign in with Google. I will click on allow to give access to my account. So my connection is successful. And here we have these details. So first let's go to Google Sheet, and my spreadsheet name is SendFox contacts, and I have these columns here: first name, last name, email, address, phone number, birthday, and website. And we are using sheet 1. So I'm gonna map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go to Pabbly Connect. First I will select my spreadsheet. So my spreadsheet is SendFox contacts. I'll select this. And here we can see all the details have changed according to my spreadsheet. And I'm gonna map all these details here from the response that we got in our trigger. And here I'm going to use mapping. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tab, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for that, I will click here. I will open the response. First, I will map the first name. Similarly, I will map the last name. Now the email address, the phone number, birthday, and the website. So I have mapped all my details here. Now I'm just going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And we have this response here. Now to check this, let's go to Google Sheet. And here we can see we have added this new row automatically in our Google Sheet. And the first name is demo, last name is user, email is demouser@pabblytunes.com, address is Bhopal, this is the random phone number, this is the birthday, and the website is pabbly.com. So these are the details that we had when we were creating a new contact. So these are the details of the contact that we have created in SendFox, and we have just added this contact in our Google Sheet. So our integration here is working successfully. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this integration between SendFox and Google Sheet. So whenever we are getting a new contact added in our SendFox, then we are adding those details automatically in our Google Sheet. And here we have created this workflow. So let's summarize what we did here. First, we have set up our trigger, and our trigger application was SendFox, and our trigger event was new contact. Then we have set up our action, and our action application was Google Sheets, and our action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of this workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. Thank you. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.